Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Periodization time in our fitness. What I've done in my active rest days is pick up our group fitness course, the spin class, which I haven't done in a long time. I used to do a lot back in the day. Good suggestion for you. If you're just trying to, if you're maybe hitting the wall a little bit with your New Year's resolution and you want to have something happening with your fitness, or if it's like what I'm doing with my active rest days on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I pick up the 6:15 a.m. spin class to get going, and then I go in and do a little bit of stretching and some other, a little bit of light stuff post that to fill up my time. But for sure, just changing it up and not push as much around, just because it is active rest day. Keep all of this in the forefront if you can, everybody, because group fitness is awesome. Small group fitness is a new trend. Boutique fitness is happening. All of these things. On the radio show, I do a lot of physical fitness stuff, and I just interviewed Justin Grinnell recently, the owner of State of Fitness. We're talking about this. Jane Kurth has been on the show, Fit Fix Now. You want to check them out. All of these new modalities that are out there for your fitness activities. Just something new. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. I hope that it encourages you to just at least consider it, because you can make a lot of new friends, and they're actually very, very fun. And that's the whole thing about fitness and early morning stuff. If it's not fun, you're not going to do it. So make it fun. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Group fitness and periodization. Think about all of these things. Really important. Have a good day, everybody. I'm Papa Tom. Peace out. Have a great day.